welcome back to another video. It's Wednesday morning. I'm about to head to Edinburgh for the next few days. Going up to stay with my sister. I know I keep banging on about it all the time. I thought I would just quickly do my makeup with you. I have a few of those products from the Selfridges kit that I really kindly got for my birthday from my future sister-in-law, Claire. If you're watching, shout out to Claire. I thought I'd test the Super Goop, do a few different products, the Rodial stuff. I'm going to start by putting some of the Tatcha jelly on my lips because this stuff is insane. My auntie really kindly sent this to me. This is the Kissu lip mask. She really kindly sent this to me a while back and it's amazing. A really nice catch up with her on the phone. We just had a FaceTime there and I realised I'm actually running quite late for, not late, I have time to get ready, but it was just really nice to have a catch up because we haven't had a FaceTime in a while. Oh my God, this stuff is incredible. If you suffer with dry lips or you just like want a really bougie lip mask, then Tatcha is the place for these nice products. And it comes with that little spoon on top. I love this. I'm also gonna spray some of the Tresemme Heat Defense in my hair just to give it some time to marinate. I did the Saint-Tropez tan last night with the disposable gloves, you know, the latex ones that I've been banging on about. They're so good. If you are looking for a nice color of tan, I mean, I have it on my face and my neck and well, I have it on my whole body right now. So you can probably see the color difference. I mean, I'm never gonna have a gorgeous deep tan, but I at least like a little bit of a glow. And I feel like that Saint-Tropez tan gives such a nice color. So here's Ultra Facial Cream. Also, while I'm doing my makeup, I wanted to mention that I've made a little Google Maps of all my recommendations for restaurants in London. These are like my top restaurants that I would be recommending to my friends of like places to go. They're not so much like touristy. Some of them are quite touristy actually, just because of the location, like Borough Market. One of my friends was sharing hers over the weekend and I thought, actually, I don't even have the Google Maps app downloaded on my phone. I normally just try and navigate using City Mapper, which is like, if you ever come to London, that's the app that everyone uses to kind of check out tubes and trains and stuff and like how everyone kind of gets around. And yeah, my friend shared her Google Maps restaurants recommendations with us over the weekend, and I thought, why don't I just make my own one? I need to see what is on Iz's one and actually kind of add them to mine because we've got very similar tastes of restaurants and stuff and we all like really nice restaurants and nice wine and stuff. But yeah, I'll link it below. Really good ones on there, and it's kind of on a map so you can kind of see from location. There's ones like Mountain in Soho, absolutely obsessed. It's now got a Michelin star actually. Kiln, also in Soho, loved that. I vlogged when we went there. I think I vlogged when we went to Mountain as well. Brutto in Farringdon, the best pasta I've ever had in my life. Such a cute, cozy little Italian pasta and pizza. Not pizza, pasta restaurant. It's like authentic Italian. Where else is on there? Mangal 2, my favourite restaurant that I've ever been to. Obsessed with that place. Agora in Borough Market, Barafina. So if you want to check out, if you're ever coming to London, check out that list. I'm going to try and keep it really up to date as well because I love a good recommendation. So yeah, check it out. Let's use the Super Goop Glow Screen, the Golden Hour. This is the SPF 30. And oh, it's got like a tin. Okay, cool. Okay, you know what it's giving? Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's got a really nice kind of tan vibe to it. Wow, I really like the texture of that. I feel like that's such a good product. I mean, everyone raves about this stuff, so you kind of know that it's going to be good, but it feels like it's more of a primer and like a Hollywood Flawless Filter sort of product, but it's actually an SPF, so that is great. Oh, I love the finish of that. I feel like it's so glowy. Okay, happy with that. I need to get a move on now because the clock is ticking. I'm going to go in with some Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Creme. As I was saying in my previous video, you kind of have to put this on and then kind of dab it around and leave it before you blend it properly because it really goes a funny texture if you don't. I'm quite lucky I don't really get spots, but if I do, I get them around my chin and I'm a little bit before my period, so I feel like there's a few blemishes there, but not too many. I'm just going to go in with like my ring finger and just kind of dab a little bit, but not properly blend. Also guys, I'm thinking of starting a Substack. There's a few things that I'm like, I'd love to talk about, but I don't feel that comfortable. Not that comfortable, but I feel like a few personal things that I have experienced throughout my life and like throughout my 20s that I would love to chat about more on a more private platform. So I was thinking of maybe starting a Substack, which is obviously like a written kind of magazine blogging type thing. But you can make it paid. I don't think I would make it paid, but I just feel like YouTube is so widely known in the world of social media, whereas like Substack is a bit more private. Not that there's anything like drastic I want to chat about, but just, you know, like experiences with things like friendships, like different things like that I just think would be quite interesting, and I think you guys would enjoy it, and I thought maybe that could be something cool. I like reading Substacks. I love that you can download them before getting on the tube as well, so you don't have to kind of be having Wi-Fi when you're reading them. I'm enjoying Catherine Ormerod's ones. I love her. I feel like we're in such different phases of life. Like, she's got 2 kids. She is a journalist, and I just love her writing. She's one of those writers that you kind of are intrigued by an article as soon as you start reading it. That's my kind of struggle with reading and magazines and like articles about different things, is that I kind of need to be gripped from the beginning, otherwise I'm not interested. It's so childish, but her style of writing, it really like catches your interest from the minute you start reading. So I love her stuff. I'm really enjoying hers. Hers is called Every Shade of Grey. Her eldest son is called Grey, and I think that's where it comes from. I'm sure that's where it comes from. And she also rents, and there's a lot of content about making a rental property feel like home, and like touches you can do in a rental property to kind of give it that homely feel. And she's really, really handy in the house. Like, some of the things she does, I'm like, this is not amateur, this is like professional. I'm gonna blend in this concealer now. Let me know if the Substack thing is something that you would find interesting, because I would love that. I'm actually already busy enough as it is with YouTube, and it might be kind of infrequent, but I would still like to do it because I find it quite interesting. We are planning tonight to go out for a nice meal. I think my sister has a tapas restaurant in mind, and we are gonna go and just have catch-ups and drink some nice wine and just, yeah, have a lovely time together. I'm really looking forward to it. It's one thing about living in London, like my sister doesn't live here, which is really sad. I would love if we all lived in the same city, but she's got her life up there. I can't move everyone down here. I'm gonna go in with the Vive Eye Wand. This was another gift from my aunt who I was just on FaceTime with this morning. Who she got me this for my birthday, and I love it. And I got it as part of the Space NK package that I opened with you guys, or I showed you what I got for my birthday. And I kind of just blend it in with my finger. Then I just go in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just blend out the edges. And I love that. I feel like it's just such a nice colour. I've got quite hooded eyes, and I think that just a bit of colour adds a bit of intrigue to them, especially on blue eyes. I find like grey or like cool tone shadows really work well. I used to love a warm tone brown, but I think it's more of the grey for me. I've still been loving my Merit eyebrow gel, but I can't find it. I think it's in my other makeup bag, so I'm just going to use the Got2b. This stuff takes a long time to come out of your eyebrows, but God, it's such a mouthful to say that. The Rhode Isle Liquid Blush Drops. Sometimes I struggle a bit with my speech. I'm like, is there something wrong with me? I love how kind of highlighty and like shimmery these are. Let me just put them on close to the camera so you can see. Really gives a similar vibe to the Charlotte Tilbury wands. You know, the little peachgasm? No, what are they called? Love that. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna do a bit of the Laura Mercier setting spray. And then I use this as a fan. That should hopefully keep my makeup on till the end of the day. I'm gonna obviously do a touch up before we go out for dinner tonight. I'll put on some mascara and some eyeliner and a bit of lip, a proper lip. But I just thought for the train, I don't really need too much going on. And I'm running out of time. I need to still do my hair, so I'm gonna go and finish getting ready, and I will chat to you guys probably at the train station because I need some snacks for this journey. I made it to Edinburgh. I'm in my sister's flat. You guys will remember, comment if you're an OG and you remember this rug, the rug debacle. It made its way here. I have this lovely bed that I'm staying in. Here's all my bits and bobs, my little socks over there. Gorgeous. I love Edinburgh, the features of all these old Edinburgh flats. Fireplace in the bedroom, little rocking chair, jelly cat. Also, these shoes, I got these from M&S. These were going to be more of like a work shoe, but I thought they were quite cool, like little French chic sort of vibe to wear while I'm in Edinburgh. And I just put them on and I was taking the stickers off the bottom of them. One of them is a size 7, which is my correct size. The other one's a size 8. And I brought them all this way as like one of my pairs of shoes for the weekend. So that's quite annoying. I'm not going to send them back because the 8 isn't too bad. I think I'm just going to get an insole because I need to wear them this weekend and I don't really have any other option. We're just getting ready to go out for dinner. Well, let's go and say hi to Jen first things first because you guys haven't seen her for a while.
I feel like I'm like a tall man right now. You can't film me like this.
I'm getting ready and Jen's lying on her bed.
Yeah, but you know why?
She's struggling with Vlogust.
I'm like in the depths of despair right now. It's day 27 and I've just ran dry on content, but I'm still trying to put videos up.
This is her little bedroom, big bedroom. Actually, you guys will remember last time we were here, me and my brother slept in this room. Okay, I'm just doing the finishing touches to my outfit. I think Jen will be ready soon and then we're going to head to a wine bar and then for some tapas. Oh, yours is in light mode. Mine is in dark mode. I'm just running down to catch the Uber because my sister's still getting ready. Hopefully she won't be too long. Look at these old banisters. All the old Edinburgh flats have these. So nice. I'm here with Jen.
Hi.
We're all ready to go now. Well, we're in the taxi, so I hope we're ready. That was a bit of a rush to get out.
Yeah, because you ordered the Uber while I was literally putting...
Show everyone your ring. Look what I've managed.
I look dead. Can we wait till I've got fake tan on
No,
tomorrow? It
come
looks
on.
like the ring is on a corpse's hand.
No, come on. This looks good. I got my sister this in Brighton. I don't think I showed you guys, but it was when I was on my friend's hen party. I picked that up for her. So I found it looked like my green one. I know she loves it.
I almost stole Jess's green ring, but...
What do you mean? When?
When I came to stay.
Where was I? All right, please don't steal that.
Oh.
Someone's hanging off the bus shelter. I'm absolutely starving. Ginger and pickles as well. In the queue, and I'm really worried that there's going to be no pastries left. Hopefully there is.
I think there will be.
A nice, a plain croissant, anything will do.
Anything will do.
At this stage, it's probably about 11:45. No, it's not. That's dramatic. It's like 10.
Yeah.
But if you do come here, make sure you get here early.
Yeah. Top tip.
Not like us. That is so funny. Shanaz is the name of a curry house in Lewis that Matt absolutely adores, and it's, sorry, no hate to this place, but like, you sit down, you have to do like a red card if you don't want them to come over, a green card if you want them to come and take your order, and it's got like, you know, those like white lights that are like the tubing that is like fluorescent light,
and they're like low-key flashing.
Yeah, it's like that, and it's like just groups and groups of like men and like, you know, just
stag do.
Yeah, stag do vibe.
They do the best.
And it just made me laugh because that's his favourite place. We're home now. We've just been chilling. Yes, no thanks. We've just been chilling for the past couple of hours. Came home, took our makeup off, got into like comfy clothes. I've got my weekday hoodie and then my like white H&M bottoms that you guys know about. I reached 10,000 subscribers today. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for all the support and like watching the videos. It's so nice. I can't believe I reached 10k. It's been such a dream for so long. So anyway, it's not all about that. We just ordered Deliveroo and Jen got something from, she got like a chicken burger from like a small independent chicken place, and I got a Nando's, which is looking delicious. I mean, they gave me 2 separate bags, but we're just going to decant it out here. Oh my god, we've got mayo, we've got ketchup. Jen's here. We're watching the 9/11 documentary on Disney Plus, which is really good. It's really sad and emotional, but it's really good. Let's open our Nando's together. Oh, you're getting a burrito? I thought you were getting a chicken burger.
No, I'm getting a burrito.
Okay guys, look at this Nando's. I've got the peri chips, I've got a fino pita, and then I've got macho peas. So good. So delicious. I'm gonna sit and eat this now. Jen's just waiting for hers. And I wanted to just quickly end this vlog and say thank you so much for watching. Especially now we can celebrate me reaching 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. It honestly means so much that you guys are interested in my life, and I love you all. Okay, we're gonna enjoy our Thursday night now. Bye.